Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve registry errors in Windows 10. Registry errors on Windows 10 usually occur due to interrupted software uninstalls, bad disk sectors or corrupted configuration files that prevent Windows from reading its own internal setting. So there are several situations you can happen. First situation is your PC boots to desktop and you can fix the registry clutter. So in that case, you can run DISM and SFC scans. This is the cleanest repair. First, you need to go to search bar, type CMD, make sure run it as administrator, tap on yes. Then you need to type DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and hit enter. Once that bar hits 100%, then after you need to type system file check script and press enter. To do that, you need to type SFC space /Scannow and hit enter. Then after you need to restart your computer. This process will automatically scan, patch and repair broken system setting linked to the system. Second situation is your PC won't boot and it is stuck on the blue screen or automatic repair option. In that kind of situation, you need to reach the repair screen. To do that, you need to turn off your PC, then turn it on, and the second you see the manufacturer logo, you need to again hold the power button to force it off. You need to do this 3 times, then 4th time it will be open advanced option in the blue screen. So you can see that menu like this. There are 4 options there. So first, in this situation, you need to restore clean registry hives from the RegBack. To do that, you need to open the command prompt in this troubleshoot menu. To do that, go to troubleshoot option, go to advanced options, select command prompt. If it is asked your username and password, just give that. Then after you can open the command prompt like this. Then you need to first identify your main Windows drive. In my case it is C drive. So first you need to type your drive and press double colon. Okay, so you need to enter your Windows installation drive like this and hit enter. Then after you need to type dir and hit enter. Then you can see all the directories inside that drive. So if you see this kind of menu appear, Windows users program files, that kind of thing, you are in the right drive. Or else you need to select the D drive from the initial. That means C is not your Windows drive. So in this case you need to type cd space /Windows /system32 /config and hit enter. Then you need to check your system has valid backup. To do that, type dir space RegBack RegBack, hit enter. Okay, you need to look at the folder content. If you see file name default, SAM, security, software and system with the file size greater than 0, you have valid backup. In my case there is no backup, that's why it shows 0 bytes. So if you see you have that kind of backup, you need to type this command to copy your files. copy space regback /*** and hit enter. The system will ask if you want to overwrite the existing file. You need to type all command like this and hit enter to select all the files. And the third method is you need to fall back to the system restore point. To do that, you need to come to the troubleshoot menu again and select the troubleshoot option, go to advanced option, select the system restore option. Okay, in my case there is a no restore file available, that's why it shows restore system files is no restore points there. If you have backup, that means if you have restore point, you will see that restore point from here. You just need to select that one and just tap on next again and again, then you can restore your computer onto that day, that is working state day, then your problem will be fixed. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.